All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the stellar XLM family. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love. Cannot thank you guys enough. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with XLM's price and of course what we could be expecting going into Friday. But if you're looking at Thursday, the market is looking quite strong even today. You are seeing some coins down a little bit, but some coins are gaining traction. Look at WLD, ENS, FET, Render, you guys get the idea, and that's all thanks to the Bitcoin dominance. I repeat, that is thanks to the BTC dominance. Well, let's take a look at what's happening with the price of XLM, but before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So XLM's price is currently sitting at 49 cents, down about 0.2% in USD, up 1% in Bitcoin comparative, market cap at $14.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $2 billion. This is by far one of the best projects in terms of performance the month of November alone, up almost 600%. And the way it's holding, of course, it's seeing a retracement. We did see a market flush for Bitcoin just about like 3 days back. And of course, XLM reacted to that. But the way it's currently holding tells you everything you need to know in terms of its momentum that it has for itself. And it's beyond exciting to say the least. If you're an XLM holder, you want to be thankful the way XLM is holding right now after having a major move like we have seen just in the past 3 weeks. But let's kind of go over this because this has been, flooding around. A lot of people are excited about this. So you can see Lumen posted this. Y'all have no idea how bullish XLM is. But kind of moving forward to, the main point, the Trump administration is eyeing the CFTC to oversee digital assets regulation per Fox. And I'm sure if you are kind of familiar with the traditional financial world, I'm sure you guys know about the CFTC. And the commissioner of the CFTC is Caroline Pham. And of course, she was appointed as the CFTC commissioner back in 2022. The exciting part that a lot of people in the XLM community are talking about is this. You can see this for yourself. Of course, back in 2022, this is what Caroline posted. Thanks, stellar organization, Cadence and Adam, for the opportunity to share my learnings from international engagement on crypto assets. Regulatory should take a common sense approach, CFTC. So, kind of people are putting 1 and 2 together, and obviously the fact that, she tweeted about XLM, obviously conversations whether or not there's going to be some sort of a partnership. And again, there's a lot of other developments, but this is just one of the things that, people are kind of keeping an eye out on, and you can really see the importance of regulatory approach towards the crypto industry and how important it is moving forward. Yeah, and you can clearly see that she is even at events where XLM was part of the meeting. So pretty much, obviously there's a lot of excitement coming in on that end, but let me know in the comments what you guys personally think. But without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with the price right now, because what's happening with the price right now should not be ignored. It should not be ignored because if you're looking at the dominance, I'm sure you guys need no introduction at this point in terms of the dominance index. It has been pulling down. It has been pulling down quite fast over the course of the last few days. And yeah, it's quite interesting to see. Altcoin rally. A lot of people are waiting for an altcoin rally. When is this altcoin season occurring? For an XLM, if you're an XLM holder and you're wondering that, I hope you guys kind of look at the charts once again. XLM is already having a major rally, and it's already in an altcoin season in a way. Obviously we need to be focusing on Ethereum. Ethereum is doing quite well. The best way to kind of look at Ethereum is looking at the inflows from major institutions, and there's major money flowing into ETH. So is ETH about to crack past an all-time high? If so, is history about to repeat itself? Dominance is looking like, it is showing a major pullback. So are we going to see the dominance pulling down constantly, to really obviously have a positive impact on these altcoins and, altcoin rally occurring in the month of December? I still think, Bitcoin dominance can pick up quite fast if Bitcoin is able to start making its way back above, its all-time high. But again, we want to be obviously looking at Bitcoin very closely as well. We cannot be ignoring what Bitcoin is doing because, like I said, if Bitcoin is able to crack past its all-time high, I do believe dominance will pick up again. So that's why I'm still not too optimistic as far as, the altcoin rally occurs. But I'm sure if you're an XLM holder, you don't really care about an altcoin rally because you're already in one. But you're looking at Bitcoin holding quite well. Obviously, still not able to make its way back above 96K. We did see a 96K retest just a few hours ago, but never really managed to close above that 96K mark. And you guys know I've been emphasizing the 96K mark for quite some time, and it's a very, very important level for us to be above. If it's able to do that, I would not be surprised if we start pushing towards all-time highs. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with XLM price, sitting at literally on dot at 49 cents. As of recording this update, we're sitting at 49 cents. And if you're an XLM holder, guys, you want to be happy at the way XLM is holding. And I'll repeat that, and I'll repeat that 100 times. Look at the way it's holding, guys. It wants to break out. It's not that XLM does not want to break out. You can see, of course, kind of going back to what I said, when Bitcoin saw that flush, we did, of course, see XLM reacting to it as well. But went down to the 42 cents price point, and since then, obviously saw a 26% pullback, and obviously we did see the rejection with Bitcoin at the 96K mark, of course, dragging the market down a little bit, and XLM did make its way down to 46 cents. Nothing too crazy, but the consolidation that you're seeing here is a complete thing of beauty, and I am anticipating that we're going to see a breakout sooner than a lot of people are anticipating. I think the major resistance that I was talking about around the 55 cents price point, it's a 16% move, but I do believe this can come quite fast. The way this is holding, I think it just needs a little bit of a turn from BTC, and I think XLM could be making its way back above yearly highs and start heading towards the levels we've been speaking about on this channel, which of course are the previous cycle's high. I think we're about to smash past that sooner rather than a lot of people think. And look at the trading volume. That tells you everything you need to know in terms of momentum. We have not seen this type of momentum for a project for a long time, and this is what people love crypto for, moves like this. Look at this. I'm going to continue to remind you guys, from November 1st, XLM went up 600% on dot, has seen a little bit of a minor pullback. If you want to talk about the minor pullback, it is only of about, you could say, 23.73%. Absolutely amazing. Really, really good. So obviously consolidating, but I am anticipating that, we do see those fireworks that a lot of people are waiting for. And I do believe that, XLM is on the way to actually crack past the all-time high from 2018 days. I think we're about to see that, and we're about to make history for XLM, because the $30 billion market cap, with the momentum that it has, it just needs a double for it to reach $1 price point. And XLM didn't even reach $1 last cycle. You can see this for yourself. We almost got there, but not really making our way above there. But let me know down below what you guys think right now about XLM. What do you get excited about the most in terms of XLM? And, where do you see the price of XLM going in the long term, not just this bull cycle? And are we going to see an XLM ETF being approved? And what excites you the most? That's what I want to know from you guys. And yeah, you guys are killing it with the support. Continue supporting. I cannot, thank you guys enough. And I will bring you guys these daily updates. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.